Hello everyone. Oh. Hi everyone. I look like a mess, but what is new? So today I'm going to be opening something that I acquired a couple days ago, and we're just gonna see how it goes. So it's this. It's a sewing machine. I got this and I haven't opened it yet, so we're just gonna open it and see if we can figure out how to use it, see if I can figure out how to make something. So my goal for today is to make shorts. So I have absolutely no idea how to use a sewing machine or anything, but we're gonna learn, and it's gonna be a great time. It's gonna be an adventure. And this is the fabric that I got from Joann Fabrics, and I'm trying to make pajama shorts for my sister specifically. So that's our first project of today, and we're just gonna see if we can figure it out. So it's gonna be fun. Let's go. So this is the Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. I got it because the lady at the store said that the rest suck, but honestly, I'm not trying to be a professional sewer, seamstress. I'm not trying to do anything like that. I just wanted to try it out, see if I could sew some stuff. That's all I really wanted this for. The lady was trying to sell me a $10,000 sewing machine. Like, what am I gonna do with that? I'm not making a factory. She really thought this one, and it was not $10,000. And I think it'll serve my purpose for what I need it for. So I don't know how the heck I'm gonna get it out of this box. How am I supposed to take this out? Oh, like that. I don't want to break my hands. And that's it, the box is empty. Thank you for coming to my box. The box claims, let me remove this. It says that it has the 5-minute quick start guide. That's what I need. I need that. Where's that? Stitch guide and anytime support. And some free accessories included. So that's important because I have 0 accessories. I will show you my sewing machine inventory right now. Let's see what we got. To make some shorts, I have fabric. It's soft, like pajama-y fabric. I have thread, fabric scissors, and an elastic for the waistband. So that should be it. I don't even know what else I would need. Like, the model is gone at work, but I have her measurements, so this should be good. It comes with this. I think it's like a cover. Cute. Okay, so we have the machine here. This is really exciting for me. Oh! Okay, I don't know. Guys, I built this desk in a previous video. So this desk that I'm using is the one that I built a couple weeks ago, and it tells you like how much weight is allowed on each portion of the desk, and I think for this side it's like 60 pounds. I don't think it's 60 pounds. Yeah, it's not 60 pounds, but I don't know, like I've never built a desk before, so I'm just kind of scared it's not like super secure. Whatever. It's a big boy. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. This is really exciting. This is like probably one of my favorite unboxings. I have another unboxing video coming up, so stay tuned for that. This is really exciting, guys. I don't know why. This is cute. I'm living out my dreams. Okay, this is the front. So this is something. Oh, maybe the power. Maybe. This is a thing. Oh my gosh. I'm so annoyed. Okay, this is like where your foot goes. That's so fun. Oh my god, I'm having so much fun. You know, my setup is a little different today. I have like an actual tripod. We got a professional over here. And like a light. Yeah. Get out. Am I supposed to do this? If you know how to sew or like know anything about this, and this is offensive, I'm so sorry. Like, I just want to learn. I'm just a curious person who wants to know how to do stuff. And these are the accessories that Tessa came with in this tiny little drawer thing. So we're so excited for that, whatever this stuff is. Doesn't matter, we're excited. Let's go. Where's the quick start guide? Ooh. Can y'all hear the music?
Don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Ooh.
That's not the vibe right now. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this out because I think. Ah! Okay, this paper. I'm assuming this is a quick start guide. Yes, let's go, baby. This is like the fattest quick start guide ever. Give me like half an hour to read this and figure it out, guys. I'll be back. Okay, so first things first, if you're going along this journey just as I am and you're learning your first sewing machine, large suggestion from me is to know every single part of the machine. So I familiarize myself with every single part of this. So the next step in this quick start guide is telling me to turn it on. So we're just gonna plug this into an outlet safely. Don't shock yourself or anything. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Okay, you'll figure it out better than I can. How the hell is this gonna work? So this goes in the here. Look at this. Okay, the foot pedal is on the floor. Oh my goodness. And then it says to turn it on. Y'all see that? Y'all saw that? Ugh. Let's go. Okay, so I turned it on. The next step is to wind your thread on the thingy-majiggy. Can y'all see that? Okay. So I'm gonna pick, these are my colors, my assortment. Since my fabric is like this super weird sea green, I'm just gonna do like this off-white shade. It's not white, maybe I should do white. I'm just gonna do white. So get your hilo, your thread, and then follow the instructions. Okay, just to put it in there, so I did. Now what? So the good thing about this is, I don't know if y'all can see, but oh my god, let me just try and show you. So the good thing about this one, I don't even know if all of them have this, but it has like indications right there, 1, 2, and even shows you like how to loop it. So I'm just gonna follow that and hopefully I do it right, you know. Guys, I kid you not, it has been an hour, I think, or like, it's been a long time that I spent setting up this machine. I don't even need this anymore. I'm an expert. I haven't actually sewn anything yet. I'm gonna sew my first stitch and you're gonna see. Shut up. Say hi. Say hello. We're just gonna start this bad boy up, see what happens, guys. I'm terrified. I literally don't know any of these settings. I'm just gonna go for it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we made our first stitch. See that? This is like an old rag. But anyways, we did it. That's crazy, I just sewed something. And now onto pajama shorts. Let's go. We're gonna need a bunch of these. This is my model shorts. So I laid out the fabric super smooth, like as smooth as you can, and then I'm just gonna get a pencil and trace out like a good extra amount around the shorts. And I have my customer's measurements here, so I'm gonna make it like exactly however she wants and I want. So the pins are just to keep the fabric in place when sewing. You're gonna want your sheet. So an elastic for the shorts, some pins, and a measuring tape. So I use centimeters. You're gonna want to add like at least, I don't know, 5-6 centimeters of excess. Disclaimer, I've never made anything in my life like clothes wise, so if this is totally wrong to those people who actually know how to make stuff, my apologies. Like, I'm just doing what I'm just going with the flow. It just had to be fun, okay? Sorry if this is all wrong. I'm just trying to make some shorts. And resume. He's being a child. And I know. I'm a joke, guys. I'm literally a joke. I'm so bored that I'm making shorts. Like, who does that? Who? This is my definition of fun. I'm having a blast. I'm having the funnest time. I'm actually really enjoying this. This is really fun. I understand why people like to do this. I completely understand. Okay, let's go. I'd rather make them a little bit bigger than smaller, because you can always go smaller. You can't always go bigger. So now you should have 4 pieces, the front and the back. You have 2 front pieces and you have 2 back pieces. It's not that hard to make some shorts, all right? Can't possibly be that hard. Now what you have to do is stitch together the booty pieces, the butt pieces, which is this too. This is either front seam or the back seam, but basically stitch these 2 together, the curved edge of the shorts. And now we're just gonna sew it. Make sure it's a zigzag on your setting. I don't even know why. I have the front and the back of my shorts done. Now we have to sew the inside leg, which is this. So we're just gonna sew that together, line it up correctly, and pin it so you know exactly where you have to sew. Now we have some shorts. I'm done. After I don't know how much time passed. Honestly, I did it. I made some shorts. This is what they look like. Yep. There's an elastic waistband inside. I hemmed the ends. Yeah, man, they're just some flowy, super soft, comfy pajama shorts. And I didn't I was scared I was gonna hurt my finger or something, but no, it's super easy to use, user friendly, you know, just sew yourself a pair of shorts. And yeah, I'm super satisfied with the outcome. Anyways, guys, that's it. It's 4 p.m. and I've been here since I don't know, 1. Well, I didn't film the actual process or anything because this video would have been literally 5 hours long. So basically, I opened my sewing machine, I made some pair of shorts. It's not difficult. If you want to learn how to do something new, just go ahead and do it. I just followed the quick start guide and my common sense of how to make shorts. It's not that hard. So thank you for joining me on this journey. It was long and difficult, but we did it. We did it. We did it. So those are the pajamas. Get a twirl. They look it looks like a skirt. Anyways, that's that. Okay. Thank you. Anyways, it was a success.